Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin. So taking a look into the charts, and quite an active day. Again, not so much for Bitcoin, but for others, yeah, it is a little bit of a big day, especially FTT. We will take a closer look into that. I mean, boomers, Nasdaq really good, the Dixie quite weak. Over here, a lower low again, pretty good. Exactly what do we want to see? We want to see them break this support right there, and it looks like they are doing that right now. So that is perfect, exactly what we want to see. Like I said, this area is next, and then we're going here. This one will be big support, of course, for the Dixie. Bitcoin right here. This is on the hourly, basically in a channel downwards. If this low breaks, we're effed. I know a lot of people are trading to the upside, and we are seeing a little bit of an, I would say, alt season. Stuff is going pretty wild in this area, is the all-important area. We're basically wedged between 46 and 50k. Either one breaks, we're going to either 42k or 53k. Right now, it is a hard call for me. I want to be bullish. I'm a little bit bullish, but I want to see confirmation at this point. And like I said, we are experiencing an alt season right now. There are some theories, that Ethereum can take Bitcoin with it, but fundings are running up again. And that is not something we usually want to see. Lower time frame looks good. I'm betting on Ethereum and FTT if you follow me on Twitter. But that is it. Solana, my target, for Solana is 160 over there. And that is where I expect it to at least correct harder, or at least experience a trend change. Right now the daily looks pretty good, and let's go to the lower time frames. Hourly, a low here, higher low, and right now we're waiting to see what's gonna happen over here. Lower high, or go for the highs again. Pretty important, put your stops if you're high leveraging it. Over there, Ethereum being complete chat. We're on the 4-hour time frame. Been calling for this all week. Check out my Twitter. And Ethereum right now at some important resistance. 360, 100. It's basically very important. If you break this, you can see it in VPVR as well, Then we have free room to 3800. And it's looking perfectly fine. Especially Ethereum BTC. This is the trade setup, we did a few days ago, and it broke, and it's complete madness. They made it higher high over here, broke this trend line, and then it was, all breaks loose. Basically this one as well. No, this was support over there. This was just what we draw then. It's looking perfect right there. And FTT, right now at its all-time high, last resistance. And look at that volume as well. Looking extremely good, and might blow up even further. So that is looking perfectly fine. Like I said, it is alt season. It's going completely loco. Ethereum, lower time frame. We can take a look. Little bit consolidation, boom, 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 and it's really weird. But over here, it's making those rising wedges again. Rising wedges, usually are kind of bullish for Ethereum, which is weird, of course. But it's looking perfectly fine. Nothing else to say about it. It's all eyes on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, is being slow over here. What we want to see is a higher high. So either break this one on the 4-hour, we can go to the 15 minutes. We want to see a higher high and higher lows. I would say if we break this level over here, we will see our higher high. So let's say this level over there, that's where we will see our higher high. And after that, after that happens, it is good. But for now, it is a hard call. And until then, we see an alt season. Going over here again, it is a triple bottom on this time frame, and that's usually not good. And that is about that. Enjoy your alt season. Solana to 160. FTT, target unknown. If they make higher highs over here, I would say $100 is easy possible. And that is about it for today. See you guys again tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and let me know what you guys think.